In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Squarespace. If you've ever thought about setting up your own online store, or if you're currently looking for a platform to showcase your products, then Squarespace is an excellent choice. It's user-friendly, beautifully designed, and offers a variety of tools to help you manage your sales efficiently. Let's dive into how you can get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Squarespace website. This platform is accessible from any modern browser, so whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, you'll have no trouble. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, look for the Get Started button. Give it a click, and you'll be on your way to creating your digital storefront. After clicking Get Started, Squarespace will guide you through a series of prompts designed to help you create your website. These questions are straightforward. They'll ask about the purpose of your site, your business goals, and the kind of content you plan to showcase. Answer these prompts as thoroughly as possible, as the responses will help Squarespace tailor the experience to your needs. Next comes selecting a template. Squarespace offers a range of professionally designed templates, suited for different kinds of businesses and aesthetics. Think about the overall look you want for your online store, whether it's modern, rustic, minimalistic, or vibrant. Browse through the template options and select one that resonates with your brand identity. Once you've created your site using the chosen template, it's time to click Edit Site. This option allows you to customize and modify the template to fit your specific needs and brand aesthetic. You'll be able to adjust elements such as fonts, color schemes, images, and layout. It's your chance to bring your vision to life. Now, let's add some products to your site. Within the editor, find the option to add a product. This process involves uploading photos, setting prices, and writing descriptions that highlight the unique features of each item. Remember, clear, enticing images and detailed descriptions can greatly impact your customers' purchasing decisions. With your products listed, the next essential step is to connect a payment processor. Squarespace supports various payment solutions like Stripe, PayPal, and others. Setting up a payment processor ensures that you can comfortably and securely process transactions, providing a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Don't forget to set up shipping and taxes. This part involves specifying your shipping options and determining the tax rates that apply to your jurisdiction. These settings are crucial for ensuring legal compliance and customer satisfaction. Finally, take the time to customize the site further, according to your brand's specific needs. You might want to add some personalized touches, like contact forms, an about page, or even a blog to engage with your audience more broadly. And remember, after all your hard work, be sure to click on Save, and then Publish. This will make your site live, allowing people from all around the world to see what you've created. With these steps, you're well on your way to successfully selling on Squarespace. Are you ready to turn your business idea into reality? Let's get started.